two set of meat thermometers that I want to show you. So these are wireless. What's really awesome about them is that they do have a 160-foot range. This is what the charging station is going to look like. It comes with this big handle here so that you can hang this up in your kitchen. So what you'll do is you just put these right on the inside like this, and then you'll use the charging port at the end here. So what's really cool about this product is that it's going to come with an app that you can use. So it connects to Bluetooth, and I've already got the devices hooked up. Shows you the battery strength there of them both. So they're both connected there, and then you can see when I put the device inside of the cooked meat here, that it's going to read the temperature. So I love that it's showing both of the battery size there, and then you can see the temperature changing there. So this app is also going to come with 9 different recipes, which is pretty cool because if you're in a pinch and you want to take a look at a recipe, then you can use this. The other thing that's really nice about this set is that it is fast charging. So 20 to 30 minutes is going to give you about 5 to 6 hours worth of charge time. So very simple to use. Set up the app on your phone. You'll be able to change the settings on here. You can select your menu there, which is going to show you, we have steak here. So I'll go ahead and put my steak in, and then you can see where it changed it to steak on there. And then what I'll do is I'll select the menu button here, and I'll actually put something different on for this one. So it's not chicken, but I will select it just so that you can see. So it's showing you the temperatures here, which is pretty cool. So it also tells you the target temperature, which is really nice. So this is going to take the guesswork out of cooking your meat to a safe temperature. So clearly we are way off here. I have had this sitting out for a few minutes. Put it back in to reach the internal temperature that is needed. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and get yourself a set of meat thermometers.